Hi, so for this video, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette and I'm starting off with the pink shade. As you can see, and nilalagay ko lang siya sa my crease ko and I'm going to build it up hanggang sa makuha ko yung desired amount ng intensity niya. Next, yung shade naman sa ilalim ng pink, which is parang a deep purple, and then ilalagay ko siya much lower dun sa pink na shade, which is dun mismo sa kung saan nagfo-fold yung mata ko. And again, I'm building up the color para sobrang kita siya. And then I'm just using a clean, fluffy brush to blend everything out para lang ma-remove yung harsh lines. Next is the red shade. Ito, nilalagay ko lang siya on top of the purple shade kanina. It's just to deepen up the crease even more. And yan ang ginagamit ko, maliit lang na blending brush, and that's it. And again, I'm just building up the color para mas lalong intense and lalo siyang makita. And again, with a clean brush to blend everything out. Now, I'm just using a concealer kasi magka-cut crease ako. And yan, it's a full cut crease na idadrag ko palabas, as you can see. And then with the white shade from the palette, I'm just setting the concealer para hindi siya mag-crease. And setting it again with the white shadow sa palette. And then with the yellow shade, ilalagay ko siya sa gitna. I'm just using a small packing brush and it's a matte yellow shade para magiging base siya for the shimmer shadow na ilalagay ko on top. And then I'm using a small pencil brush and nilalagay ko yung orange naman sa gilid. So, parang halo siya. So, ayan. I-drag ko lang palabas yung orange. And just use a small brush dito para hindi siya magkalat yung orange na color. And also sa inner corners, syempre. Now, I'm wetting the brush and nag-dip ako dun sa yellow shimmer shade from the same palette. And then, yan, ilalagay ko na siya dun sa center ng mata ko, kung saan ko nilagay yung yellow matte shade kanina.
다섯 번째 미안하단 말이 이제 너에게 지겨운 건지 마지막일 건 예감이 드 이제 내가 싫어
And then with the orange shade again, i-blend mo lang siya paloob kasi para walang harsh line yung shimmer kanina. Now with the red shade and maliit na brush, dinideepen ko lang yung crease para mas defined siya. And now with a glitter liner, eto, I'm just using a nail art brush and yung Holika Holika ko to create a glitter liner. I have to improvise kasi wala akong glitter eyeliner talaga. And it works kasi sobrang nipis nung nail art brush. So, yan. Ngayon, I'm just going to color correct. Yan, with the detail color corrector. Orange kasi syempre ang laki ng eye bags kaya kailangan i-correct para naman matakpan kahit paano, diba? And then I'm blending it out with my finger. And then with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 128. Ayan, ni-spread ko lang siya with a brush sa face ko. Since I have to map out my face kasi nga ginawa ko na yung brows and yung eyes ko. Kaya I have to be careful. That's why I'm using a brush here. And then I'm using the Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. So, alam niyo na yan. Alam niyo na kung paano gamitin yan. Then I'm blending it again with a sponge. Now, I have to be careful. Parang I'm being really careful dun sa shadow ko. Kasi it's either gonna make it sharp or it's gonna ruin my shadow. Kaya I'm being extra careful. And then I'm setting my concealer or baking it. Hindi ko sure. Okay, now bronzer. I'm just using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And nilagay ko lang siya sa may noo kasi malaki yung noo ko. And also, syempre, sa cheeks. And then sa nose to slightly contour my nose. Now, with the orange shades, my lower lash line naman. Just use a small brush para hindi magkalat yung color, okay? And then with the red, doon ko lang siya nilalagay sa may pinaka-gilid. And then with the pink shimmer, yun yung nilalagay ko for my inner corners. Again, from the same palette. And syempre, sa my brow bone to lift up the brows even more. Now with the Pure Nude highlighter from Essence, I'm just applying it sa cheekbones ko. I use this highlighter for my base highlighter kasi you will see why it's a base highlighter. Kasi sobrang smooth niya and very subtle but it gives you that really nice glow. Hindi siya kasi glittery kaya I use it as a base highlighter. Then I'm gonna spray my face with a setting spray and then ito na. I'm using a more intense highlighter which is the Wet n Wild in Golden Flower Crown. And nilalagay ko lang siya dun mismo sa taas ng cheekbones ko. Kasi parang mas intense siya. Pero since naglagay ako ng base, mas okay siya tingnan. And then I'm just using a liquid lipstick from Detail in the shade Jhen. And ayan. And we're done. And this is the final look. And I hope you guys like this makeup look that I did. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye!